Is that coming through? 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 Is that coming through?
Well, that was my amazing time lapse of my drawing I did for the competition, and yeah, the camera ran out, so here I am in the morning and it's finished, so you're not going to see how I did it, but there we go. Some things are best left mysteries.
Coming through. Is that coming through? Is that coming through? Is that coming through? Is that coming through? Is that coming through?
There's the pen. It's a 0.4. Cost me bloody £3.40 that. The other thing is I really don't like colouring very much, so I mean it's not that I don't like it, I'm not that great at it and I don't have the patience. But if anybody else would like to have a go at colouring my picture, that would be awesomely sweet.